To use Educa Play, open Google Chrome or any browser. Type Educa Play in the search bar and press enter. After you type it in, click on the Educa Play website link from the search results. On the homepage, click Login at the upper right corner. Select Login with Google if you don't have an existing Educa Play account. Choose the Google account you want to use. For the last step, accept the terms and conditions, then click Sign Up. After successfully signing up, you'll be directed to the homepage where you can explore various game features, quizzes, and interactive activities.
Ano nga ba ang Educa Play? Ang Educa Play ay isang website na inaalok ka na mag-create ng mga magagandang games, educational games, at saka yung mga magagandang activities para sa bata. Kaya ngayon, kung pinoproblema mo sa lesson plan mo ang paggawa ng magandang quiz at educational games para sa mga bata, pasok na pasok tong Educa Play. Hep, hep, hep! Ano nga ba ang Educa Play?
Educa Play is an online platform for creating and sharing educational activities and games. Users can create interactive exercises, quizzes, crosswords, and more, or find many ready-to-use activities on the website. These activities can later be exported, printed, or accessed by students through a code.
Libre kaya ako?
Alam mo kaya, merong basic plan dito na pwede kang gumawa ng free account na pwede mong gamitin sa unang-una, wala siyang ads. Pangalawa, pwede kang makapag-share at magamit mo yung website para makagawa ka ng mga games. Tapos, by the end of the month, merong lalabas na results.
In using an Educa Play, you have a freedom to choose. The first one is the Plan Basic, a free plan with access to essential features, allowing users to create and play interactive educational activities with some limitations. The next is the Plan Advance. This is a premium plan offering enhanced features for educators and organizations, including unlimited activity creation, detailed student tracking, collaboration tools, and an ad-free experience for a more seamless learning environment. Next is the Plan Academic. This plan is designed for school and educators, offers advanced features such as student tracking, personalized learning, and collaboration tools to enhance the educational experience. Lastly is the Plan Commercial. Tailored businesses and professional training, this plan includes premium features like branding customization, analytics, and licensing for commercial use.
Uy, kaya di ba sabi mo gusto mo i-integrate yung technology sa quiz mo? Ayun, marami kang pwede pagpilian.
Gusto ko kasing gamitin tong quiz. Paano ba ito gamitin?
Ay, i-click mo lang yan, oo. I-click mo lang after mo mag-sign up. Tapos, ayun na.
After signing up, select the type of quiz or game you want to create. Enter a title or topic, and the website will generate a quiz based on your input. For example, 21st century skills. After that, review the generated questions and answers. You can edit them to ensure the accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. To start the quiz, click See Activity, then click Start to begin. The quiz will have a set time limit, and once everything is ready, share the quiz link with your students.